Hello class, welcome to week 3. So we've completed the first 2 weeks of class. We are actually halfway through our course. So this week I will be sending out midterm grades um, on Thursday. So what does that mean? That means that if you have any assignments that are missing or you're still working on stuff, you might want to get those in before Wednesday when I actually start calculating the midterm grades and sending them out. I'm a little disappointed because there were many of you that did not submit homework last week. I'm going to stress to you how important it is to submit work every week. Um, if you fail this course and you want to continue on in Vista College, you will have to pay for this course again if you fail it, which adds on to your um, total financial uh, amount for school. I don't think you want to do that. This is a very easy course to pass if you do the work. I've shown you how grades matter, and I've shown you what each activity in our course is worth. And it's important that you try to do every assignment. So I've worked with some of you in the first week, allowing you guys to submit work after the due date. But moving forward, I am applying late penalties to late work. However, every point counts. You need some points is better than no points. So you need to make sure you submit your work. If you are having issues, technical issues, or personal issues, call me, communicate with me, and I will work with you. But if you don't let me know, there's nothing I can do for you. I cannot help you unless you talk to me. Okay? Again, I want to stress this is an easy class to pass. You just need to do the work. So if you have any zeros in this class, please get your work turned in by Wednesday and you'll see a big change in your grade, your midterm grade on Thursday. Okay? So last week we continued to talk about goal setting. Many of you made some great academic goals, and many of you turned in your financial budgets. I thought those were great. I want to give you guys kudos. I saw many budgets that included savings account and minimum debt. Great job. Keep that trend as you live out your life. You will be successful if you do. Okay. Great discussion about Reggie Rivers, the former Denver Broncos. You guys had great comments about that. I like that it changed your perspective on how to change your behaviors to reach your goals. I like that you guys were already starting to apply what Reggie Rivers talked about in his discussion with TED Talks. So great job on that, guys. Now let's move into week 3 and talk about what we're going to do in week 3. So week 3, we are going to focus on your actual study skills. So we've talked about setting goals and getting your mindset ready to transition into college, right? So now we're going to talk about what does it take to be successful in college? Good study skills. So you're going to read and watch videos on information literacy, how to read to learn, how to build your test taking skills, and last but not least, time management. I heard many of you talk about you need to work on your time management skills. Well, this is the week that you will do that. Okay, so in discussion 3, you're going to talk about, you're going to rate your study skills. How am I doing? Am I doing great? Am I good? Am I fair? You're going to rate yourself in your study skills and then talk about what you can do to improve those study habits. Okay, and then in assignment 3.1, it's important to know how to take notes. And I know that many of you take different kinds of notes, different styles of notes. This particular assignment explores Cornell notes and outline notes. And I want you to take a look at that and watch the video. And then you want to submit a sample of the type of notes that you take and then discuss or write a paragraph about why you use that style of note taking to be successful. Okay. And then assignment 3.2, you're going to create a time management plan. You go, well, what is that? A time management plan is a schedule. You're going to create a schedule that reflects your personal time, your professional time, and your study time. Okay. There is a template in the course, in the assignment, I believe. If not, you can find templates on Word, you can find templates online, and create a nice schedule that shows what you do with your time. After making your schedule, write about, is there anything that you could do differently or that you should do differently in your schedule? Give an analysis, just a short paragraph about what you could do differently. Okay? If you have any questions, please contact me. Remember, midterm grades go out on Thursday, so any missing assignments, any zeros that you may have, please submit them by Wednesday evening, 11:59 p.m. Okay, that's my time. Get in the discussion board. Let's get started on talking about our study habits and rate ourselves on our study skills and all of that. You guys have a great week. I look forward to hearing from you guys in class.